What we know about Princess Leonor's life beyond the cameras. When people think of Princess Leonor, they usually picture grand ceremonies, elegant state events, military uniforms, or standing beside Spain's royal family during important national occasions. But have you ever wondered what happens after the official event ends? What happens when the speeches are over, the photographers pack up, and the palace doors close? Does Spain's future queen simply continue living a royal fairy tale? Or is there a much more ordinary side to her life? The truth may surprise you. Although much of Princess Leonor's private life remains appropriately private, the public record reveals a young woman balancing royal responsibility with education, military training, friendships, and the everyday challenges of growing up. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we actually know about Princess Leonor's life beyond official royal duties. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Royal duty isn't her entire day. Many people imagine that members of royal families spend every day attending ceremonies. In reality, official engagements make up only part of Princess Leonor's schedule. Much of her time has been devoted to preparing for her future role as Queen of Spain. That preparation includes academic study, reading, language learning, physical fitness, and military instruction. Behind every public appearance are countless hours of preparation that the cameras rarely capture. Chapter 2. A student before a queen. One of the biggest misconceptions about Princess Leonor is that royal life revolves entirely around public events. In reality, education has been central to her upbringing. She has studied in both Spain and abroad, gaining academic experience alongside classmates rather than spending every day inside royal residences. Those years have helped prepare her not only as a future monarch but also as a young adult learning about the wider world. Chapter 3. Military training and discipline. As heir to the Spanish throne, Princess Leonor has also undertaken military training. This is an important tradition for future Spanish monarchs. Training involves physical fitness, discipline, teamwork, and leadership. It's demanding work that takes place far from the glamour often associated with royalty. The public may see photographs of ceremonies, but much of the preparation happens quietly through dedication and practice. Chapter 4. Time with family. Whenever official schedules allow, Princess Leonor has been seen sharing important moments with her family. She has often appeared alongside King Felipe VI, Queen Letizia, and her younger sister, Infanta Sofia. These appearances suggest a close-knit family that values spending time together despite busy public responsibilities. Like many families, those shared moments provide support during periods of significant responsibility. Chapter 5. Interests beyond royal life. Public information also shows that Princess Leonor enjoys learning languages and staying active through sports and physical training. She has developed skills that will help her communicate confidently on the international stage. These interests are practical as well as personal. They reflect the preparation expected of someone who will one day represent Spain around the world. Chapter 6. Learning to balance two worlds. Perhaps the most interesting aspect of Princess Leonor's life is her ability to balance two very different worlds. On one hand, she is a young woman continuing her education and preparing for adulthood. On the other, she is Spain's future queen. That means balancing personal growth with public duty. It is a challenge few people ever experience. Every stage of her life combines ordinary milestones with extraordinary responsibility. Conclusion. The cameras capture ceremonies. They record speeches. They document official celebrations. But they cannot show every hour of preparation, study, discipline, and personal growth that takes place away from public events. Although Princess Leonor's private life rightly remains private, what is publicly known paints the picture of a dedicated young woman preparing for one of Europe's most demanding constitutional roles. Her days are shaped not only by royal protocol but also by education, training, family, and steady preparation for the future. Perhaps that is the real story behind the headlines. Not a life of constant luxury, but one of commitment, learning, and responsibility. As Princess Leonor continues her journey toward the throne, the world will undoubtedly keep watching, not simply because she is a princess, but because she represents the future of the Spanish monarchy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more documentaries about Europe's royal families. And tell us in the comments, which part of Princess Leonor's journey do you find most inspiring? Her education, her military training, or her dedication to public service?